This video I will guide you how you can type third symbol on keyboard. So in the first method, go to the insert and on the right side you will see that equation. Click on that and you will see that ex script. Click on that and click on this first box. And in the first box type 3 and on the above box type RD. So this way you can easily type third symbol on keyboard. So in the second method type 3 RD and select the RD and on the home tab go to the found section and here you will see that superscript. Click on that and this is what. So in the third method type 3 RT, select the RT and press the Ctrl Shift key and press equal sign key. And this is what you can type easily third symbol on the keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.